Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by logging into your Google account and confirming Gemini video access, because access controls determine available features. Once done, collect a tight script and all assets, images, video clips, and reference audio, so you don't interrupt the flow. Make sure to pick the aspect ratio, for example 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for mobile, and set target resolution upfront. This prevents late reworks and keeps rendering times efficient. You now construct the video in Gemini by creating ordered scenes and assigning timecodes, because a clear sequence avoids overlap later. Once your scenes exist, pick a visual style and color palette to maintain cohesion. Use motion presets for consistent animation. Make sure to configure the voice model and pacing, slower for dense info, brisk for highlights, and adjust background music levels. Markers help sync narration to cuts, which prevents awkward timing and keeps viewers engaged. You finish by previewing the full project at export resolution to confirm audio sync and visual consistency, because small errors amplify after rendering. Once satisfied, export using H.264 for broad compatibility or HEVC to save file size. Include captions and metadata before finalizing. If rendering fails, try lowering bitrate, clearing cache, or relinking assets. Make sure file permissions allow access. If issues persist, export a short test clip to isolate the problem and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.